Okay, so you want to adjust the clock on your Honda pcx125. This is the 2021 model now. It's currently 12:25 PM, so my clock's miles out. So what we do, our ignition's on, and we haven't started the bike or anything, we haven't got anything like that on. And we're on this screen with our total miles, and we're going to hold in select and set together. And then you should start to see after a couple of seconds the clock should flash, okay? Press select to select the hours, set to change it, select to change over to minutes, and select to change that as well. We then select again, it gives us our oil change countdown. We get a choice to reset that, and then we can change from miles to kph if we want to. I'm no bothering with that because you don't live there. Okay, so that's us, clock change all done. Nice and easy guys, catch you later.